baby. Honey! Honey!
My sweetheart.
My girl.
My sweetheart.
Honey. Baby.
Sugar. Oh, I love you.
Yeah. I'm going to tell you that I want to travel next week 3 days.
3 days.
Yes, I want to watch my... No, I want to watch my mom now. I love you too now.
I can't eat it without you. Nothing, but that's
Hey,
this
sugar. No, don't worry, eh? I will not stay long.
Are you
Trust
sure?
me. Trust me.
And you can't be prosecuted for that.
No. I know.
Oh, I love that. I love it.
Oh,
Baby.
my. Darling, baby,
Honey,
sugar. I love it. Yeah. Let's go. Yeah.
Oh boy, kuna do the queen.
God. Baby. Oh, God, yeah. Take care of the asshole. I will not stay long, yeah?
Are you sure?
Oh, trust me now. No, it's okay now. Ew, nice man. Baby.
I love you.
I love you too, eh? It's okay now, eh? Take care of yourself, eh? Alright. Not my fault now. Hey, you know say I like my wife say I want to go visit my mommy for I don't say
To be mumu. You think they get wise?
Hey, so you there?
I just wait for you. You know,
I dey miss
say
you.
you go come.
I don't feel you yesterday. I dey miss you.
You will come. Say your wife there.
No man, I'm blessing.
Earlier we realize this. The earlier every one of you realize it, the better it is.
I literally that. You know, Nigeria going now. I mean, it's just go fresh.
Hey, thank you.
It's not my husband. Honey.
You are a failure. You are a failure. You can never make it.
Honey.
You can never. You know you cannot make it. You are a failure. You can never make it. You can never. You know you cannot make it.
Go village now 3 days you hospital. I don't know now this old woman I go carry. Who be this one?
This baby.
See this one. This one. Me and you fight pass. See this one. Look me up and down. See honey. What did you say? What did you say? I don't beat you. I can't do like that. You want to carry your mama? What did you bring them?
So this one.
Wait.
Who be your pikin? Who be this one?
Who be pikin? See this one. This one.
See this one.
What though? Now my husband and you want to collect
Your husband.
I beg, I don't like all this kind of thing. My husband. What did you bring them all this
I
time?
could this one now. I'm not going to the
Today, me and you go die. I don't tell you. Come here.
You think they get wise?
They collect my husband. You say your fee beat me, Abi. Your fee beat me, Abi. You go fee beat me, Abi.
This your pikin
Your
bring
fee beat me,
your
Abi.
wife.
Honey, today, me and you go die for. Come on, she say your fee beat me.
What you fit do me? Look at this small girl. Come beat me.
Say your fee beat me.
I say come beat
You
me.
collect my husband. I don't know
Which husband? You get husband?
Abi.
Take care.
Stop
I say take care.
now.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. My cat don't fall.
Come here. Come here. My husband.
Oh God. Oh. Let's watch out.
I cannot be today. No, change my name. My husband. My husband. Only
This small girl.
This old woman, they drag my husband from my house. They drag my husband. My husband say one time we go meet mama for village. And they come back to my dad now. I come meet that this old woman. This old woman, this dirty woman. What do you want this one to do? This one, why they carry her?
I don't know. You don't tell me. I don't know.
Only leave me at the first.
It's okay now. We realize every one of you realize
Let me mama let me this one. Why they beat your pikin now? Let me today. Let us die for her.
It's okay now.
Let me.
I'm going to
Why they beat your pikin? This old woman you cry. What they beat her? What they not they?
Oh no. On not too much. Baby, it's okay.
I don't agree.
No, now. It's okay now. Hey, no. Drop on my wife, not my pikin. Drop her. Oh, madam, drop on my wife.